Hello everybody, this is Moses from Zaatar Gardens, and this is episode 118 of Gardening Without Edits. I'm gonna make this quick. I'm cooking, happy Mother's Day for everybody out there. I'm cooking a big barbecue right now for that. But let me turn the camera around, let me show you what I wanna talk about. It is how many flowers, and the cherries as well, but how many flowers the pineapple guava has this year. Now, what I did differently this year was I didn't really prune anything. So I don't think that pineapple guavas, let me see if I can just do ultra wide, if you can really see. I don't think that pineapple guava grows really well on new growth. I think it grows well on old growth. Kind of like plums, like spur wood. Isn't that pretty? In my opinion, but if you look online, you'll see a lot of people say it as well. The most flavorful flower in the world. That little petal right here is juicy. It tastes like Starburst, I think. Like Starburst candy right here. Now the reason why, in the research I've done, the reason why, and I've seen it happen too, is bees don't really pay attention to this flower. And what happens is the bird comes to eat this really sweet and juicy petals. These are like soaking with juice. It's like a couple drops of juice per petal. Feels like, it tastes like as well. But while they're eating the petals, the bird's chest feathers are ruffling the pollen, and then they go to another one, etc. I have two of them, and I have another. This is going to be as a bush here. I have another one in the backyard, but you can see how much more there is. Now let me show you the cherries now. Cherries are almost ready. This is a Stella Cherry, self-fertile. You could eat it now, but it's maybe needs another week. It's really cool. Like tomorrow's gonna be 70 degrees here. That's really abnormal, but I'll take it. So here's the cherries. Look at all this. This is amazing. So they're supposed to be a little darker. Like you see how this is turning a little darker right here? These has to be a little bit darker than that, and it's ready, but you can still eat them now. And I just love gardening. I don't know why everybody else doesn't do it. I understand that sometimes it's difficult, but I try my best to provide as much information so you can grow as easily as possible. So I really don't do much in the front yard here, and look how much production I'm getting. So happy gardening, everybody. Bye.